President Biden will speak in Florida tomorrow. He'll hold an event focused on abortion, with Florida's 6-week abortion ban set to go into effect in about 10 days' time. This has been a winning issue for the Democrats. I would expect a lot of similar events as November draws closer. Look at futures this Monday morning. There's plenty of green out there, but you've got to remember there was an awful lot of selling, especially Friday. I think the Nasdaq was down 2%. That was just on Friday. Well, a bounce back of maybe a half percentage, 2/3 of 1% this morning. That's not a real strong bounce back after last week's heavy-duty selling. Jeff Sica with me on this Monday morning. Jeff, I want to start with Tesla. That stock is down, 40% this calendar year. They've just announced price cuts around the world. Musk has cancelled his scheduled trip to India, and the stock's at $140 a share. What is your analysis of Tesla's position?
Well, I think, unfortunately for Tesla, I think the trouble has just begun. I mean, as you said, the stock is in free fall. Nothing has gone right for Elon Musk at Tesla. The bloom is off the rose for EVs. You have China that's able to produce EVs very inexpensively. They have access to the batteries and the components that are needed in EVs. And 60% of all electric vehicles are being purchased in China. So Elon Musk cannot compete unless he beats the Chinese market. Right now, he's protected in the U.S. There's big tariffs, 25% tariffs, so the Chinese can't compete here, but he can't compete there, and that's crushing them.
The stock is $140 a share. It's lost, what is it, $70 billion in market cap in this calendar year, something like that?
Yes.
You think the stock's going lower?
I think the stock's going to go lower. I think we're going to see it back towards $100 a share again, and I may buy it back then, but it's going to go lower.
Okay. This week, big tech earnings. Several major league tech companies will announce their earnings. I say they've got to show that AI is helping their bottom line. And if they can't show that, they're going to be disappointed.
Yes, I mean, the three companies that are coming out, we have Meta, we have Alphabet, and we have Microsoft. But when it comes to AI, NVIDIA is the most important company because NVIDIA's had this 180% return. It's off 20% so far in just a short period of time, showing that these big tech companies are not spending as much on the component, on the graphic processing units. So what we have to see, there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of enthusiasm, but we have to see if now that's going to translate to the bottom line of these companies.
I'd hate to see what happens if these companies disappoint.
Yes.
That would not be pretty.
Right.
Jeff, thanks for being with us on a Monday morning. Always a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.